So you want to be a marketeer, but what book should you buy in order to master your craft and hone your skills? So here are some of my recommendations of the best books on marketing and advertising. So the first book is Ogilvy on Advertising in the Digital Age by Miles Young. And if you're not aware of David Ogilvy, he was one of the finest advertisers in the world, and his agency called Ogilvy is still the best global advertising agency. So yeah, you should learn from the best, and David Ogilvy is like god of advertising. Then we have the book called Brand Breakout: How Emerging Market Brands Will Go Global. It is authored by Nimla Kumar and Jan Benedict E.M. Steenkamp. And Nimla Kumar is one of the legendary professors of marketing. Then we have the book called The Physics of Brand by Aaron Keller, Rennie Marino, and Dan Wallace. Then we have a book called This is Marketing: You Can't Be Seen Until You Learn to See by Seth Godin. Then we have the book called Copywriting: Successful Writing for Design, Advertising, and Marketing by Mark Shaw. Then we have the book called The Marketing Imagination by Theodore Levitt. And finally, one of the best books ever written on copywriting, The Copybook: How Some of the Best Advertising Writers in the world write their advertising. It has countless case studies and examples of some of the most successful advertising campaigns that were ever run, and you would get humongous amount of insights from this book. And all of these books are some of the finest books in marketing space. So yeah, you should get them all, read them all, to hone your skills and master your craft. And do share your favorites in the comments.